Hi everyone, it's been a while since we've been out in the D3, but today we're here at the Wormhough Off-Road Club. Along with the Northern Monkeys, they're going to be running a Tyro, which is basically a trials event, and we're going to be testing out to see how we can get around the different obstacles. Let's see how we get on. We're first up on the course. We're going to be the Virgin going around to see where the route goes. Hopefully I can remember. I've had a quick walk around just to see the route. It doesn't look too complicated at this point in terms of challenges. So let's see how it goes. Tyro events provide an excellent starting point if you'd like to try your Land Rover out off-road. These events are aimed at young drivers and novices in newer vehicles, where gentle sections are taxing enough to get to grips with the car without inflicting damage. One of the biggest bonuses of this type of event is it's aimed at juniors, and they can compete from the age of 13 provided they're passengered by a fully licensed driver with some sort of off-road experience. That was easier that time. No, I only had to shunt once as well. What do I write on my thing then?
Quiet.
The event comprises of a set of 8 sections. In each of these sections are typically 12 pairs of gates. Competitors attempt to drive between those gates without stopping or hitting each gate. Those gates are then scored in terms of 12 points if you get through all of the gates with no errors, and 1 point if you fail at the first. The object being to get as far around as possible, with ultimately receiving a 0 for an error-free drive.
exactly where the gates are, so I don't remember.
The objective of a tyro is we have to get through the gate, keeping the white flag on the right and the red on the left. We also say red is dead. You have to keep moving. You also can only have, for a long vehicle like ours, one shunt to get through all the gates, obviously without touching them. Today's a pretty easy event, I think. It's actually focused also towards some of the young drivers, which you can see are doing really well today as well. Let's now try and see how we get on going through this next trial. So here we go. As I said, this is focused towards young drivers today, but it's still fun. Oh, in fact, I should also pay attention to see where I'm going, because I nearly actually went wrong straight off and nearly missed the first gate. That would have been a bit embarrassing, wouldn't it? There's number 11. In fact, we're doing a reverse order here. We're going from 12 down to 1. Do the next gate, number 10. Lots of space. 9, and I think we've got to go right down to the bottom of the hill after this piece here. Rocky pieces. And through number 8. Just take a little bit of a wider line as we come in there to make sure that we get around there. Actually I have to have a shunt. Shunt! Oh, and by the way, when you go backwards for a shunt, you're allowed to have one shunt per run, and you have to shout out shunt before you do the shunt. Just make sure we get through this one. It's not actually that easy. It's always like challenging in the big vehicles. 5, and here we go up to number 4. Where's number 3? At the top. I don't think we need any speed on ours because we've got lots of traction here as well. And then it was number 2 was somewhere over. Where was number 2?
That side.
Over that side. Okay, all the way round. Just about make it there. And that's it. And then where's number 1 then? Oh, there. Okay, so we'll go around that way. Bit of power and up the hill. Go and park over here now. So that was a clear round, but obviously it wasn't that challenging, to be honest, but it is fun still. As I said, it's great fun for the younger drivers that are getting to experience a little bit of off-road driving. And look at that lovely Jimny there that's doing really well. It's whole family's driving that one. Another quick and easy route round there, but it is fun.
going for it. Oh.
That was fun today, and it's great to see, as I said, all the young drivers out there. That nice little Jimmy done really well as well, plus all the specialised vehicles as well. Lots of different interest here. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.